Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
And good afternoon, West Michigan. We continue to see the heat alerts still popping up across portions of the Midwest, but they're starting to get trimmed back, and that includes here in West Michigan. The heat advisory continues for our counties south of I-96 through about I-94. That is for our feels-like temperatures in the triple digits, which a lot of areas are starting to get very close to that as we approach our peak heat between about 3 and 4 o'clock today. We also have that extreme heat warning that's still in effect for northern Indiana and far southern Michigan. All of these alerts, though, do expire at 8 o'clock tonight. So really just about 8 hours more of the heat before we'll start to feel a little bit of relief overnight as well as into your Wednesday. In the meantime, lots of sunshine out there. It's 87 degrees right now in Grand Rapids. A lot of areas getting close to that 90-degree mark, but we know that heat index or feels like temperature is really what it's going to feel as you're stepping out the door. Today, we're also tracking some showers and thunderstorms. We missed out on those really yesterday. They fell apart over Lake Michigan. Some rain showers did impact far northern lower Michigan, but otherwise we were okay. Some cloud cover coming in north of the stationary front and a few showers popping there. Couple more sprinkles now working to fire near and south of I-94. This is what we're going to be watching pretty closely as we head about the next few hours here. Some of these storms could be a bit more robust than others for two reasons. One, some could be severe, and two, we'll likely see a lot of rain coming along with these systems thanks to all the moisture that's in the air. So really expect that to be really an idea about between about 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock tonight. Will dry out fairly quickly as we move overnight there. A glimpse at 4 o'clock on our future cast here. Again, some storms firing off to the south. This will fill in relatively quickly as we move into those later evening hours. And again, really just left behind with a few rain showers as we head overnight. Should be a mostly dry start to our Wednesday. More rounds of showers and thunderstorms, though, expected Wednesday afternoon and evening. Those two could be a little bit robust at times. So we'll watch it. Again, Storm Prediction Center really just clipping us with this marginal risk for 3 more days. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and they pretty much all look the same. I would say if we were to see really some strong storms, today would be our best chance. And again, all of these are going to target in the afternoon and evening with that peak daytime heating. Will be a decent amount of rain, though, I think. This warm front continues to linger through Thursday with some scattered showers expected to follow into Friday, but it won't be a washout Friday by any means, so don't cancel any outdoor plans, especially in the evening hours. Weekend, though, should be pretty gorgeous and dry. Still, though, a little bit on the warm side of things. So how much rain are we talking? Again, with all the moisture that we have in the air, we could see some pretty significant downpours, and that will likely total our rain totals to about 1/2 to 1 inch of rain. That starts again tonight and carries through about Friday with just a few sprinkles. Could see some locally higher totals out there as well, so a decent amount of rain on the horizon. Weekend looking nice, though. Again, 85 on Saturday. We're up to 88 on Sunday. Both days should have some sunshine, and both days will be a bit humid, so your feels like temperature will once again be in those 90s. Some storms possible on Monday. Next week looking quite gorgeous as we move into July. Quiet, cooler. We should hold on to some sunshine through the middle of the week.